Follow these steps to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. First, force restart your iPhone. For that, press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo disappears and reappears. Release the button when the screen turns on. This method helps if your iPhone is frozen or stuck due to a minor software glitch. If a forced restart does not work, use recovery mode to reinstall iOS. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Force restart. Keep holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. On a computer, a pop-up will appear. Click Update. If Update does not work, choose Restore. This will erase your data. If recovery mode also does not work, try DFU mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open Finder or iTunes. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down. Press and hold the side button for 10 seconds. While holding the side button, press and hold volume down for another 5 seconds, then release the side button. If the screen stays black and the computer detects a device in DFU mode, you are in DFU mode. Follow the on-screen instructions in Finder or iTunes to restore the iPhone. Following these steps, you can fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.